Get this to 5,000 likes, my people. Lawsuit a ring out for Andrew Holness party. Stay tuned. KD night from the PNP file it. Today's prayer Tuesdays, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Audio will be provided. Share the video. Don't go away. Listen to this.
At their meeting on Sunday at 3:30, the Jamaica Labour Party, and in particular, Dr. Christopher Tufton, caused a recording to be played, purportedly, of me, KD Knight, speaking disparagingly of the leader of the People's National Party, Comrade Mark Golding. And I want to make it abundantly clear that it is a manipulated recording, that it is a lie, and that I have never, ever, neither publicly nor privately, ever
likes on this video,
made any comment that Mark Golding is unsuitable to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica. I have never said that, and would never and could never, because that is not my belief. My fervent belief is that he will make an excellent Prime Minister, one who is honest, one who is reliable, one who, when he makes a declaration to any public body as to his assets and liabilities, will be accurate. And there will be no room for him to be questioned as to how he came by that which he has declared.
All right, so we're not going to waste some more on the time. What is the cause of that lawsuit, you might add? Leave your thoughts inside of the comment section and tell me what you think about it. This is the cause of the audio that Christopher Tufton played at the mass rally in 3:30 when the Prime Minister announced the general elections date. You understand? Now, the audio spoke very disparaging things about Mark Golding, which would have seemingly said that he's not fit to become Prime Minister. He said in the audio, allegedly, KD Knight that is, allegedly, that Mark Golding is not fit to lead and he must not be allowed to win this election. Now, that is what the audio said. And who played it? Christopher Tufton. You understand? Alright? Now, since then, news broke about the audio which surfaced on social media and it went viral yet again because it is not the first time I've heard it. You understand? Now, to allow that audio to be played and of course within the capacity of the JLP rally, then it is now causing issues. KD Knight threatens lawsuit over manipulated recording played at JLP rally. KD Knight, you heard it a while ago, said that that is not him and he has never spoken that way or anything bad about Mark Golding in private or public. That, he says, is a manipulated audio, whether it is a splice, whether it is AI or whatever it may be. KD Knight has deemed this a dirty trick. You understand? And he has now decided to take, of course, you know, the administration of Andrew Holness in action of a lawsuit. Now let's get to this matter right here. Now, retired legislator KD Knight is threatening defamation suit against Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and the Jamaica Labour Party for the playing of what Knight says was a manipulated recording at Sunday's JLP mass rally, which falsely suggested that he has no confidence that the People's National Party President Mark Golding can lead Jamaica. He says it is utterly false. JLP, and he says they're playing dirty tricks. You understand? Let's continue. Now, in a media release on Monday evening, Knight said the audio was a malicious fabrication. So Christopher Tufton, Andrew Holness, JLP administration, get ready to answer to this lawsuit from KD Knight. And let me tell you this. KD Knight has been deemed a very competent attorney, a very potent one. I will say what I say a while ago. Let me, say it in Jamaican terms. KD Knight is not no dibby liar. Okay? So, prepare on yourself. Anyway, he says, and this is KD Knight, and I quote, "I categorically state that I have never at any time in any forum or under any circumstances made statements suggesting Mark Golding is unfit to be Prime Minister. The recording is clearly altered and the words are deliberate concoction designed to deceive the public and tarnish my reputation," Knight said. Okay? Now, he further stated that the recording is a desperate and reckless act of political sabotage by the JLP, and that such tactics are not only unethical but potentially criminal. Let me be unequivocal. This recording is a lie. Every syllable attributed to me, CDE Mark Golding, he says that it is not him to be the Prime Minister, and it is a lie. This is not more political gameships. It is a deliberate assault on truth and democratic integrity, says KD Knight. Now, he says that he has instructed his attorneys to pursue immediate legal actions against the Jamaica Labour Party and Christopher Tufton and all parties involved to the creation and dissemination of the recording. I will seek the fullest redress in law for this calculated attempt to manipulate public opinion and damage my credibility, says Knight. I have heard this recording before. Alright? I have heard this recording before, and this recording is not a stranger to the ears of some people of the public. You understand? So this has been around the blocks for quite some time. I think recently one surfaced with Damian Crawford as well, talking very disparaging things about Mark Golding as well, which, would seemingly trying to create separation and chaos within the People's National Party. So, I am assuming that KD Knight is aware of the parties involved in this situation and would definitely, try to seek legal redress in this situation, and also name Andrew Holness as one of the parties involved, because he did not separate just Christopher Tufton. He named the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Holness administration, and this is a campaign rally, and the knowledge of the Prime Minister must, I am assuming, know about these, according to KD Knight, manipulated tactic, you understand, to try to ruin the legacy and tarnish the reputation of KD Knight himself. So Andrew Holness, Christopher Tufton, JLP administration, get yourself ready to seek, of course, this situation in court. KD Knight says that he will be taking this to the fullest redress in law for this calculated attempt to manipulate public opinion and damage his credibility, he says. You understand? So, my people, make no mistake, what appears to be, of course, a very, very interesting audio play that the JLP must rally turn out to be a very bitter one. You understand what I say? So now KD Knight is going to sue the Jamaica Labour Party for what he says is damaging his character, and of course with manipulated public opinion material. He says that he has never spoken anywhere publicly or privately that way about Mark Golding. But as you heard clearly, he says that he thinks that Mark Golding is very reliable, very capable, and he's an honest member of parliament, and he's fit to lead. Unlike, he says, many others who Mark Golding won't have to answer to where his declarations are, and that is a shade that is being thrown at Prime Minister Andrew Holness, you understand, for not being certified allegedly by the corruption body. We have more to come. Stay tuned to this Prayer Tuesdays. Like and share the video. Don't go away. So forward.